Bullish band cost expectation for 2022 is $5.71 to $24.71. The band cost will likewise reach $5 soon. Bearish band cost expectation for 2022 is 97 cents. In band convention cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about band to dissect the future development of the digital money. Band convention current market status. As per CoinGecko, the cost of band convention is $2.87 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $319,971,268 at the hour of composing. Be that as it may, band has expanded to 2.9% as of now. Besides, band convention has a flowing stockpile of 41,591,943 band. Presently, band exchanges cryptographic money trades like Binance, Coinbase Trade, OKX, DigiFinex, Whitebit. What is band convention? Band is the local badge of band convention. Band convention is a cross-chain information profit stage that totals true information and interfaces it to APIs and brilliant agreements. Band convention, which was established in 2017, gives data dividing among on-chain and off-chain information hotspots for dApps. Band is used as insurance by hubs that approve true information submitted to different blockchains. There are two sorts of hubs, validators and delegators. This two-hub format is regular in universe-based assigned verification of staked blockchains. Band convention value expectation 2022. The above graph of band convention spread out the even channel design. Level channel design, otherwise called the sideways pattern. As a general rule, the flat channel is framed during the cost union. In this example, the upper trend line, the line which associates the highs, and the lower trend line which associates the lows, run evenly equal and the cost activity is held inside it. A flat channel is in many cases viewed as one of the reasonable examples for timing the market as the trading focuses are in solidification. At present, band convention is at $2.81. Assuming that the example proceeds, the cost of band could arrive at the opposition level of $3.76 and $17.05. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of band might tumble to $1.95 and 88 cents. The outlines show that band has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. Assuming that this pattern proceeds, band could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its opposition level at $24.71. Likewise, in the event that the financial backers betray the crypto, the cost of the band could fall to nearly 97 cents, a negative sign. Band convention value expectation 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of band convention is displayed in the underneath graph. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past volume for merchants. Right now, the RVOL of band lies beneath the end line, showing powerless members in the latest thing. Besides, the moving normal of band convention is displayed in the above diagram. Strikingly, the band cost lies over 50 MAMA, so it is totally in an upswing pattern. Right now, band is in a bullish state. There is plausible of an inversion pattern of band whenever. In the meantime, the general strength record of the band is at a degree of 92.43. This implies that band is almost an overbought state. In any case, this gives certainty to the brokers to exchange with next to no apprehension. Band convention value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to look normal directional record of band convention. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of band convention. At present, band lies in the scope of 31.723, showing areas of strength for it. From the above graph, the overall unpredictability record of band convention. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of band lies over 50, showing high instability. Truth be told, band's RSI is at 92.43, hence affirming a potential sell signal. Correlation of band with BTC, ETH. The underneath graph shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and band convention. From the above outline, we can decipher that the cost activity band is a divergent pattern concerning BTC and ETH. This shows that when the cost of BTC and ETH increments, the cost of band diminishes. Furthermore, when the cost of BTC and ETH diminishes, the cost of band expands. Band convention value forecast 2023. In the event that the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern switches, band convention could presumably achieve $7 by 2023. Band convention value expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, band convention could enter a bullish direction. In the event that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, ban could energize to hit $9 by 2024. Ban convention value expectation 2025. On the off chance that ban convention supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 3 years, ban will mobilize to hit $11. Ban convention value expectation 2026. If ban convention supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 4 years, ban would energize to hit $13. Ban convention value forecast 2027. If ban convention supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 5 years, ban would revitalize to hit $15. Ban convention value expectation 2028. If ban convention holds up major areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years, it could observe critical cost rallies. In this way, by 2028, ban would hit $17. Ban convention value expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on ban convention, it would observe significant spikes. Ban could hit $19 by 2029. Ban convention value expectation 2030. With more prominent progressions in the ban convention environment, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into ban convention for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Thus, ban convention could hit $21 by 2030. And, with non-stop upgrades in the ban convention organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for ban. Thus, the bullish value forecast of ban convention in 2022 is $24.71. Then again, the negative value expectation of ban convention for 2022 is 97 cents. Moreover, with the headways and overhauls in the ban convention biological system, the presentation of ban convention could hit $5 acquiring financial backers consideration. It would likewise transcend its unsurpassed high of $22.83 soon. 1. What is ban convention? Ban is the local cryptographic money of the ban convention, and used as insurance by hubs approved certifiable information gave to different blockchains. 2. Where could you at any point buy ban convention? Ban convention has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, Coinbase Trade, OKX, DigiFinex, Whitebit. 3. Will ban convention come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and updates inside the ban convention stage, ban convention has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of ban convention? On April 15, 2021, ban arrived at its new all-time high of $22.83. 5. Is ban convention a wise interest in 2022? Ban convention is by all accounts one of the top acquiring digital currencies this year. As per the kept accomplishments of ban convention in the beyond couple of months, ban is viewed as a wise interest in 2022. 6. Could ban convention reach $5? Ban convention is one of the dynamic cryptos that keeps on keeping up with its bullish state.